Start the school year off on the right foot by designing your own locker. Follow the steps to get going. Pick a color for your locker. Delete all the other locker colors. Decorate the inside of the locker, including the door. Rename the file locker your first name, last initial. Let's do that first. It's easy. On the top left, I click and drag and I type my first name and my last initial. You will practice these Google Slide skills. Select, copy, paste, renaming your file, resize, rotate, text tool, navigate from page to page, deleting page, and arrange. Decorate the inside by adding all the notebooks and binders you'll need for your classes this year. Be sure to make text boxes and label all your binders down the spine. Then you can add a fuzzy rug, pom-poms, borders, small books, anything else you'd like. Here's that teacher tip I'll show you in a minute about arrange, order, bring to front, or bring to back. Here's an example of a finished locker design, the inside, and many things on the door. Now I'm going to scroll through and decide what locker color I want. I'm going to choose red, so that means I click and delete all the other colors. When I click on the left, the thumbnail on the left, it shows up on my screen. Now I'm going to start navigating to all these other pages to choose things that I want to put inside my locker. I'm going to start with the rug. This is the thumbnail. I have to click Control C to copy that rug. Then I navigate back to my locker, Control V to paste. Isn't that fun? I can put the rug inside my locker. I could even use the arrow keys on my keyboard to navigate and resize on the edges. Click away, there's my rug. Next, I'm going to go to this slide, choose a binder, Control C to copy, back to the locker, Control V to paste. I want to grab this little handle so I can, rotate it. I'm going to resize it so it can be in the bottom of my locker. I can use those arrow keys on my keyboard, click away, go to the text tool. You don't have to label every single binder. Do your best. Typing math. That's my text box. That might get a little tricky. Using the arrow keys to put math here. Next, I'll put some wallpaper on my locker. Click on the thumbnail. Go here to select the actual wallpaper. Control C to copy. Navigate the thumbnails back to the locker. Click on the locker to be in that page. Control V to paste. Well, that's not going to fit, is it? I have to pull the corner to make it fit. Next, I'm going to add some stickers. I click on the thumbnail on the left, go to the stickers page, and I can click on a sticker, Control C to copy, go back to the locker, Control V to paste. If I did Control V to paste again, I would get two of the same stickers. I might be able to resize them. I'm going to get rid of that guy. Delete. Here's the last thing I'm going to show you before I start to speed up the video. So I've got stickers. one kind of on top of the other. You can do this with any object. If I want this watermelon to go behind the alien guy, I have to go to Arrange, Order, and here's where you can send to back goes all the way in back, and it disappeared behind my wallpaper. Control Z, undo. If I go to Arrange, Order, Send backwards, it just goes backwards one step behind the alien, not all. Last step is to go to the thumbnails and delete every page except for your logger design. That's a lot of pages. This one page, correctly named with your first name and last initial, is exactly what you'll hand in to me on Google Classroom. Have fun!